this a milky shampoo? Like a real shampoo? With like real shampoo ingredients and stuff and whatnot and everything?
Hey Curly Teas, today we're making a real shampoo. Now this doesn't use Castile soap. We're using very gentle professional surfactants to make a cleansing shampoo. This milky shampoo contains goat milk and just a little touch of turmeric powder to give it a slight, gorgeous, golden tone. Okay, since you know you're going to be making a shampoo, let's decide what additional ingredients we want to add. If your shampoo is formulated correctly, it'll wash away the dirt and excess oil. Don't use too many of your best ingredients in a recipe like this. They'll most likely get washed right down the drain. If you have an oil-soluble preservative, you can add it here. Decide how you want your shampoo to smell so you can mix the fragrance oil in with the rest of your oils. To make sure there's no weird separation of any ingredient, use a liquid cold processable emulsifier. Polyglucose lactylate blend is an EcoCert certified mild surfactant used to create very gentle shampoos, body washes, and facial cleansers. I later added a little pinch of turmeric to make it sort of this golden color. Now you can use beetroot powder, green tea powder, etc. for a soft color to this shampoo. That's it, guys. This is finally a decent milky shampoo using real shampoo ingredients, not Castile soap or other liquid soaps. This has to be recipe number 12 or 13 because I just wasn't quite satisfied with anything that I made before now. This shampoo is meant to clean your hair and scalp. If you find it too cleansing, you can always add more oils. If you want it to be even milkier, then you can up the amount of goat milk powder. If you don't want to use goat milk powder, you can use coconut milk powder. But anyway, enjoy your milky shampoo. This will certainly not be the only milky shampoo recipe I post, because I like the way this one turned out. And so I'm going to experiment, add different types of ingredients, change the percentages and stuff like that. You guys should also experiment. There are actually some great mild surfactant ingredients that they're coming out with, or that they've already come out with, which aren't your harsh sulfate type of ingredients. So please continue to experiment from here. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients lists, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.